In this video, we are taking you south of Salzburg in the spa and ski resort Bad Gastein in Austria. The town is situated at 1002 meters altitude and offers great activities even outside of the winter season. During our visit, we have pitched at Kurcamping Erlengrund, which is approximately 8 kilometers away from Bad Gastein town. It is a medium-sized camping offering grass beaches for tents and all types of motorhomes and caravans, but also some static caravans for rent. We have chosen a grass beach with water on the beach and electricity paid based on consumption before you check out. For example, for 2 days, including a separate city tax and eco tax, together with the electricity consumption, we have paid in total €116. All beaches are leveled and offer beautiful mountain views from any spot. Inside the facilities building, there is a coffee machine and a vending machine selling all sorts of snacks and drinks. And also a recreational area with tables and benches, a darts game, a TV, some books, magazines and games where guests can relax. The washing up area is spacious and hot water is available at all times. There are washing machines and a separate drying room put at the guest's disposal. The campsite has great facilities, plenty of showers, sink, toilets, baby changing areas and even a baby bathtub, and everything is cleaned on a regular basis. There is also a small outdoor swimming pool on site, a sauna which can be booked in advance at reception, a play area for children, table tennis, and also an enclosed exercise area for your dogs. There are plenty of attractions in the area. However, if you prefer a quick outing only, if you cross the road from the campsite and go via the wooden gate, you can walk along the river and take in the views. It is also the perfect place to walk your dog or ride a bike. E-bikes can also be rented from the campsite and they cost €20 for half a day and €30 for the entire day. If you want to walk your dog in the area, there are dog bins everywhere and they also put at disposal dog poo bags. If you would like to explore the area a bit further, you can walk in about 1 hour to Bad Gastein, or you can take the bus 555. The bus station, it is 2-minute walk from the campsite, and the journey costs €7.50 for 2 adults and 1 child. Dogs are also allowed, but they must wear a muzzle, otherwise they won't be allowed to travel. The bus ride to Gastein Bahnhof takes about 20 minutes. The bus will stop right in front of the train station, and this is a perfect stop for taking the cable car to Stubnerkogel. The cable car takes you to 2,251 meters altitude. For 2 adults and 1 child, we have paid €86 with the Gastein card discount. Bear in mind that if you have accommodation in the area, you are entitled to various discounts, including local buses, which we have only found out after our bus journey, however right on time for buying the cable car tickets. You will enjoy some lovely views during the cable car ride, and the ascent only takes about 10 minutes. The cable car is dog friendly too and is also free of charge for them. There is a middle station on the way, and if you prefer, you can ascend all the way to the top and then walk to the middle station and take the descent right from there. The walking trail offers lovely views, and you will get the chance to see the cows and horses from up close. As the temperatures were too high for our dog to walk in the sun, we have decided to take the ride back directly from the top. Stubnerkogel is not only a fantastic place to visit because of the mesmerizing views it offers, but also for the famous Stubnerkogel suspension bridge. There is a short walk from the cable car station to the bridge, and you will be surrounded by 360 mountain views on the way. The suspension bridge is 140 meters long and floats at 28 meters above the ground. It is open all year round and offers breathtaking views. The bridge is located at 2,300 meters altitude and offers thrilling views due to its wire mesh construction. This was an amazing experience, and we'll leave the images to convince you that this place is a must visit if you are in this area of Austria. Subscribing to our channel is free of charge and provides us with a lot of encouragement in continuing our family's adventures. Travel is what makes us really happy, and we do try to use every opportunity to explore new places, either local to the UK or around Europe, so please subscribe if you haven't already done so, and we will continue sharing with you family and dog-friendly travel ideas. If you crave something to eat, or would you like a drink while enjoying the lovely views, we do recommend stopping at Giftil Restaurant Stubner, which is situated on the platform at the end of the suspension bridge. It offers amazing views, and dogs are welcome on the terrace too, and they will be served with fresh water immediately. The prices were decent given the location, and portions were very big. For example, for 3 big portions of schnitzel with fries or boiled potatoes, a separate salad and 3 drinks, we have paid 68 euros. There are various viewing platforms for you to enjoy, so the suspension bridge is not all this place has to offer. If you continue to walk from the restaurant, follow the signs for panorama platform. It is a short walk, not difficult, and with fabulous views all the way. I will leave the images to speak for themselves and convince you to visit this iconic place in Bad Gastein, Austria. There are also many information boards on the walking trails pointing you in the direction of all mountain peaks in the area, so you will know at all times the altitude you are at and what mountains you can see in front of you. Another important point to mention is that all walking trails, the viewing platforms and cable car rides are fully accessible. From Stubnerkogel station, we took the cable car back to Bad Gastein and walked 15 minutes to another famous landmark in the area. On the way, you will get the chance to admire even more beautiful views, interesting buildings, and a few shops with various items from souvenirs to clothing or outdoor equipment. Bad Gastein is a very touristic place. It's full of cafes, restaurants and hotels, but the main reason we stopped here, other than the famous suspension bridge on top of the mountain, was the Bad Gastein Waterfall. It falls right through the center of Bad Gastein and it's stunning. It has a 341 meters drop and it falls in 3 levels. From the waterfall you can take the same bus 555 towards Gastein Erlengrund and return to the campsite. We hope you have enjoyed our quick stop to Bad Gastein area in Austria, and stay close if you want to see our next adventure in a sunny place with crystal clear waters.